Hello everybody, my name's Steve Conley, the owner of Severna Park Auto Body in Millersville, Maryland. I hope everybody's safe and healthy and practicing the CDC guidelines to hopefully rid this virus as soon as possible. We've been in the community for over 25 years and we're here to help. We're open, we're an essential business, and what we'd like to propose to you, if you happen to have a car that's in your driveway or you're just not using right now and there's like a bumper you need to be repaired or painted or even an insurance claim that you've been just putting off, give us a call. We can come and pick it up. We can also have you drop it in our early bird drop-off service right there, and we can basically do everything over the internet. I mean, almost everything. So if you have something that you want to get done, consider us, because I will tell you that driving's down 50%, insurance claims are down 50%, and it's really hurt our business. And all our technicians are still working, and I'm going to keep them working. Even if we don't have cars, we're going to be working, because I want them to still have a paycheck, and I want them to be able to have a job when all this is over with. So please, if you are considering having any kind of work done, any kind of auto body or painting, give us a call. We'll work with you. And I'd like to extend out to our first responders who have done such a tremendous job in this whole crisis, that if you have some insurance work that you want to get done, we're going to give you $250 off your deductible. And I hope that helps you. You guys have supported us, and we want to support you. So give us a call if you're in that situation. There's a lot of things we can do. We can get the rental car here for you. We do have loaner cars available. First come, first serve. And if you're a customer at home and you want to get some work done, now's the time to get it done, because we can help you out. We're not that busy. And when it gets busy, it's going to get crazy. So get it done now. Now's the best time. So give us a call. And I just want to thank everybody for supporting us for over 25 years. And we plan to be here another 25 years. God bless you, and drive safe.